Japan has a unique real estate market.
Welcome to Japan. No problem every single day. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Ken's Mottainai world. Today we are diving into 3 innovative business ideas in Japan that are perfect for foreign entrepreneurs. If we are looking to make an impact in Japan and tap into exciting opportunities, these ideas will give you the inspiration you need. Let's get started.
1. Real estate investment in Japan. Our first idea is real estate investment. Japan has a unique real estate market, especially with the Akia problem. There are over 8 million abandoned homes across the country. This opens up incredible opportunities for restoring Kominka, traditional Japanese houses, and turning them into vacation rentals, Airbnbs, or community spaces. Investing in urban apartments for long-term rental income, especially in cities like Tokyo and Osaka. Here's why it works. Real estate prices in Japan are relatively affordable compared to many other developed countries. With inbound tourism growing and more people interested in rural Japan, Kominka restoration can become a highly profitable venture.
Our company is still a newcomer in the real estate business. As I mentioned before, our main business is car exporting business, doing for nearly 30 years. Why did we decide to start the real estate business? Let me explain. There are 3 reasons. 1. Japan is one of the few countries where foreigners can acquire the real estate legally. 2. We are experienced in dealing with international transactions. 3. Lastly, we want to help solve Japan's vacant house problem, reduce the waste in the spirit of Mottainai, and share the beauty of Japan with people from other countries. In other words, it's the same thing we've been doing with cars. Let's spread Mottainai's concept. Some Chinese people are buying land with water source and it's getting problem. We have to do something for it. I believe the Japanese government should regulate this. In general, I support the idea of foreigners can purchase the real estate freely in Japan. If they like Japan, intend to stay in Japan, do some business in Japan, not just for the money. Japan's economy is still struggling and its population keeps going down. Some Japanese people say don't accept foreigners come to Japan. I understand. But my personal opinion, we should accept more and more foreign people coming to Japan. And if they are not criminal, let them stay in Japan, do some business. Why not? I am very welcome. Welcome to Japan. Let's have fun. And eventually, it's gonna be good for Japan, I believe.
2. IT and technology business. The second opportunity is in IT and technology services. Japan is a tech-savvy country, but its IT industry faces a major labor shortage. This creates a golden opportunity for foreign entrepreneurs to offer AI and data analytics solutions to Japanese companies. Start an outsourcing service that connects skilled foreign programmers with Japanese businesses.
I have many friends who run IT companies. They all struggle finding talent. Solving this problem through business would be a great business opportunity. In fact, some IT companies are already outsourcing to countries like Vietnam or Myanmar, like that, because of bad economy in Japan. If it's high price, it's hard to sell in Japan. Japan is very cheap now. Japan used to be very expensive back in 30 years ago in the bubble economy time. But now Japan is very cheap. So you can't expect selling with high prices. Even so, I recommend you to do some business with Japanese companies. Why? From our experiences, we've been dealing with many companies, many people in many countries. Africa, Russia, Asian countries, New Zealand, Australia, South American countries, everywhere. It's been good and we've been enjoying business with them. But we also have many bad experience with foreign people. Some people don't fucking pay. We invoice and we ring. When can you make payment? No problem. I will send you money tomorrow. And tomorrow never comes. They don't pay. I'm not saying all foreigners are liars, but some people, they just keep saying they pay, but they never pay. We have so much bad, sad, miserable experiences. We cry. Compared to people in other countries, Japanese people are more honest. They tend to keep their word, in my opinion. If they say they will pay, they pay. I don't think they cheat you, but it's general story. Okay. So I think you have less stress about payment with Japanese people or Japanese companies compared to other countries. I don't know, but I think so.
3. Japanese Culture Online School. Our third idea is a Japanese culture-focused online school. Japan's culture has a global fan base, and people around the world are eager to learn skills like shodo, calligraphy, sado, tea ceremony, origami manga drawing. With the rise of online learning platforms, you can reach students from every corner of the globe.
The online school business is growing. If you are interested in online school related with Japanese culture or Japanese something, we will be happy to support you. There are so many interesting stuff in Japan and, do, like sado, kado, judo, kendo, aikido, like do. Do means road. They are not just hobby or sports. By learning Japanese you can learn flower arrangement, tea ceremony. Kendo is a sword do, how to fight with sword, and judo and aikido. Not only physical training, you can learn also Japanese cultures and the way of thinking. I will be very happy to see more people learning and doing these Japanese traditions. You can find out some business opportunities with Japanese food like ramen. I love ramen. I eat every single day. No, just kidding. It's not so good for your body, so I try not to eat so often. How about how to make delicious ramen at your home? I think it's gonna be very popular. Okay, today we talked about 3 exciting business opportunities in Japan. 1, the real estate investment. Personally, I recommend you to start small, like a Kominka or Kia. 2, IT solution. I forgot to tell you, Japanese AI literacy is very low. I hear the usage of AI, China 59%, the United States 49%, and Japan is only 9%. Japanese people don't use AI much yet, so you may have opportunities there. Number 3, Japanese culture online school. Of course, starting business in Japan is challenging. We like to support those foreign people, foreign businessmen to start business in Japan because we've been doing business in Japan for many years and we are good at dealing with gaijin, foreigners like you. So if you have any question, please leave comment here and I try to answer you. If you enjoy this video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Share with your friends who like Japan, One Piece, manga, Japanese girls, whatever. Thank you for watching. ありがとう。